welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put sequence number in Excel or Google Sheets automatically. So you can automatically generate sequence number in Excel or Google Sheets using different methods. So to this video, I'm going to show you some of the easiest ways. The first one is you can just use the fill handler by dragging the number down, and it is best for quick numbering. You can just type 1 in the first cell and then type 2 or other numbers in the next cell, just like this. And now you can just select both cells like this, and at the bottom right corner of this down, there is this blue dot that you can drag. You can just go like this, and Google Sheet will automatically continue the numbering, as you guys can see here. And you can also use the sequence formula. This is for Google Sheets and Excel 365. And it is best for dynamic numbering. You can just click on a cell where you want the sequence to start, and then here you can just enter the formula. For example, I'm going to just start in here. You can just go like this, sequence, and then row. So the rows in here is the number of rows are just as needed. So let's say I'm going to just go with 10 and comma. Next is the number of columns. So you can just keep one if you want. Keep just write one if you want to keep a single column, and then comma again. And the next is the starting number. So for the starting number, I'm going to go with 1 again, and comma in here. Now you can just steps here, the increment, you can just I'm going to just go with 1 again, then you can just hit on enter, and it will autofill numbers from 1 to 10, just like this. You can also use row formula. So this is best if rows change. So in A2 in here, let's say, you can just enter row and then choose A1, just like this. Hit on enter. So drag down to fill the column. So this formula automatically updates if row are added or deleted. You can just drag like this, and it will change accordingly. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.